Number 4 here is connect your email to Google Analytics.
Yeah.
Almost every email platform out there, from MailChimp to Constant Contact to all the other ones, have a link to Google Analytics. And this is really cool because when you start really doing some good measurement in Google Analytics and you have goals set up and you have all this stuff, you want to really see exactly where your good traffic's coming from, like what kind of traffic resulted in phone calls and form submissions, etc. Well, if you link it to email, your email system, you link Google Analytics to your email system, you're going to get exactly which campaign that came from. So when you name your campaign inside of MailChimp, you're going to get that same campaign showing up inside of Google Analytics. You're going to see a lot of times which I don't know if this is actually true, but like what the content, like which button they click to make it to your website. So you're going to get that kind of granular data, which you don't always get if it's not linked up. It might even get caught up in like direct traffic if it doesn't know, if it's not really sensing that's from email. So it really gives you a clean look at how your email is performing. And you can only really get that if you've got that direct link between your email and your Google Analytics. So it's really easy to do. Usually just a button that you click a setting inside of MailChimp or Constant Contact or whatever you're using, and just link those up and you can get a good clean look at your email data.
Yeah, and the alternative to that is that you're using your email metrics in depth in your email platform, whether it's MailChimp, Constant Contact, HubSpot, or any of the big email platforms, and you're diving into great detail there, but you don't have it connected. What that can do is create confusion in Google Analytics, and they'll often count that traffic as referral traffic.
Right.
If it's coming in from an email client that's maybe a web-based interface, sometimes Google isn't quite sure what traffic is if it's coming in from email. So yeah, things like, even silly stuff like, like a Yahoo email user or any of those older kind of email addresses, if you ever go through your email data, it's like a time capsule. You're seeing that a user base often has email addresses on platforms that are very old. So you might feel very up to date with your thinking around what email platform you're using, but that doesn't mean that your audience is up to date. Right. So whatever business you're in, I guarantee you there's some Hotmail addresses out there, and somebody going in and doing a web-based interaction with their email, they may click and engage and call in, but if you don't have that connection made, you're just using that very old system that Google either is good at guessing about or not good at guessing about in terms of where did it come from. So an email is just such a major category of traffic. So yeah.